In addition to the joint declaration, 28 agreements and MOUs have been signed between the two sides. Out of these, 20 documents will be exchanged in the presence of the two leaders. First, Program of Coordination and Cooperation between the two Ministries of Foreign Affairs for the year 2026-28 will be exchanged by Senator Muhammad Ishaq Dar, the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan, and Mr. Abdulaziz Kamilov, Advisor to the President on Foreign Policy of Uzbekistan.
Tashqi siyosat bo'yicha prezident maslahatchisi Abdulaziz Komilov hamda bosh vazir o'rinbosari Tashqi ishlar vaziri Muhammad Ishaq Dar Tashqi ishlar vazirliklari o'rtasida 2026-2028 yillarga mo'ljallangan hamkorlik dasturini almashadilar.
Mr. Jam Kamal Khan, Minister for Commerce of Pakistan, and Mr. Laziz Kudratov, Minister of Investments, Industry and Trade of Uzbekistan, will exchange two documents. First, Protocol on the expansion of the list of goods under the Preferential Trade Agreement, and second, Agreement for the establishment of Pakistan-Uzbekistan.
Investitsiyalar, sanoat va savdo vaziri Laziz Qudratov hamda savdo vaziri Jam Kamal Khan imtiyozli savdo to'g'risidagi bitimga yangi mahsulotlar ro'yxatini qo'shish bo'yicha hukumatlararo bayonnoma O'zbekiston-Pokiston hududlararo forumini tashkil etish to'g'risida kelishuvni almashdilar.
Mr. Khwaja Muhammad Asif, Minister of Defense of Pakistan, and Mr. Shohrat Khal Mohammadev, the Minister of Defense of Uzbekistan, will exchange three documents. Action Plan for Defense Cooperation, second, MOU in the field of ecology, climate change, and disaster risk reduction, and third, MOU on cooperation in the area of disaster management.
Mudofaa vaziri Shuhrat Xolmuhammedov hamda Mudofaa vaziri Xavaja Muhammad Asif tabiiy ofatlarni boshqarish, tabiiy ofatlarga qarshi kurashish hamda mudofaa sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida kelishuvlar va yo'l xaritasini almashadilar.
Mr. Rana Tanveer Hussain, Minister for National Food Security and Research of Pakistan, and Mr. Ibrahim Abdurrahmanov, Minister of Agriculture of Uzbekistan, will exchange three documents. First, MOU for cooperation in agriculture. Second, Protocol on phytosanitary requirements for export of fresh apples, figs, lemon, and hot pepper. And third, cooperation agreement between the Ministry of National Food Security and Ministry of Agriculture of Uzbekistan.
Qishloq xo'jaligi vaziri Ibrohim Abdurahmonov hamda oziq-ovqat xavfsizligi va tadqiqotlar vaziri Rana Tanveer Hussain qo'l olma, anjir, limon va achiq qalampir mahsulotlarini eksport qilish bo'yicha fitosanitariya talablari to'g'risidagi bayonnoma qishloq xo'jaligi sohasida hamkorlik hamda qishloq xo'jaligi tadqiqotlarini rivojlantirish sohasida bitimlarni almashdilar.
Mr. Rana Sanaullah Khan, Minister for Interprovincial Coordination of Pakistan, and Mr. Laziz Kudratov, Minister of Investment, Industry and Trade of Uzbekistan, will exchange an MOU on cooperation in the field of physical culture and sports.
Investitsiyalar, sanoat va savdo vaziri Laziz Qudratov hamda mintaqalararo muvofiqlashtirish vaziri Rana Sanaullah Khan sport sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida bitimni almashdilar.
Mr. Muhammad Ishaq Dar, the Deputy Prime Minister and the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, and Mr. Babar Islamov, Minister of Mining, Industry and Ecology and Geology of Uzbekistan, will exchange an MOU on cooperation in the field of mining and geosciences.
Tog'kon sanoati va geologiya vaziri Bobir Islomov hamda bosh vazir o'rinbosari Tashqi ishlar vaziri Muhammad Ishaq Dar tog'kon va geologiya sohasida hamkorlik bo'yicha kelishuvni almashdilar.
Mr. Talal Chaudhry, Minister of State for Interior of Pakistan, and Mr. Abdulaziz Kamilov, Advisor to the President on Foreign Policy Issues, will exchange two documents. First, Agreement on the Transfer of Sentenced Persons, and second, Agreement on Cooperation in Combating Illicit Trafficking in Narcotic Drugs.
Tashqi siyosat bo'yicha prezident maslahatchisi Abdulaziz Komilov hamda ichki ishlar davlat vaziri Talal Chaudhry ozodlikdan mahrum etilgan shaxslarni jazoni davom ettirish uchun topshirish to'g'risida davlatlararo bitim hamda giyohvandlik vositalari va psixotrop moddalarning noqonuniy aylanishiga qarshi kurashda hamkorlik to'g'risida hukumatlararo bitimni almashdilar.
Ms. Shaza Fatma Khwaja, Minister for Information Technology of Pakistan, and Mr. Laziz Kudratov, Minister of Investments, Industry and Trade of Uzbekistan, will exchange MOU between the Ministry of Information Technology of Pakistan and Ministry of Digital Technologies of Uzbekistan.
Investitsiyalar, sanoat va savdo vaziri Laziz Qudratov hamda axborot texnologiyalari vaziri Shaza Fatima Khwaja raqamli texnologiyalar sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida idoralararo bitimni almashdilar.
Mr. Aurangzeb Khan Khichi, Minister for National Heritage and Culture of Pakistan, and Mr. Azad Beg Nazarbekov, Minister of Culture of Uzbekistan, will exchange two documents. First, agreement on preservation of heritage of Baburids, and second, agreement on cooperation in the field of culture.
Madaniyat vaziri Ozodbek Nazarbekov hamda Milliy meros va madaniyat vaziri Avrangzeb Xanxichi buyuk Boburiylar ilmiy merosi madaniy me'moriy merosni asrash to'g'risida hukumatlararo bitim hamda madaniyat sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida idoralararo bitimni almashdilar.
Mr. Junaid Anwar Chaudhry, Minister for Maritime Affairs of Pakistan, and Mr. Laziz Kudratov, Minister of Investments of Uzbekistan, will exchange an MOU on facilitation of maritime trade and preferential port arrangements for cargo carriers at the ports of Karachi, Gwadar, and Ben Qasim.
Investitsiyalar, sanoat va savdo vaziri Laziz Qudratov hamda dengiz ishlari vaziri Junaid Anwar Chaudhary dengiz port xizmatlari va chegirmalar bo'yicha hamkorlik to'g'risida idoralararo bitimni almashdilar.
Sayyid Mustafa Kamal, Minister for National Health Services of Pakistan, and Mr. Abdullah Azizov, Director of Agency of Pharmaceutical Industry of Uzbekistan, will exchange MOU on cooperation in the field of pharmaceutical products, regulatory functions.
Farmatsevtika tarmog'ini rivojlantirish agentligi direktori Abdulla Azizov hamda Sog'liqni saqlash vaziri Said Mustafa Kamal farmatsevtika mahsulotlarini nazorat qilish sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida kelishuvni almashdilar.
Mr. Jam Kamal Khan, Minister for Commerce of Pakistan, and Mr. Nazim John, Director for the Agency of Development of Life Industry, will exchange cooperation agreement for textile and apparel industry.
Yengil sanoatni rivojlantirish agentligi direktori Nozimjon Xolmurodov hamda savdo vaziri Jam Kamal Khan yengil sanoat sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida kelishuvni almashdilar.
Mr. Harun Akhtar, SAPM on Industries and Production of Pakistan, and Mr. Laziz Kudratov, Minister for Investments of Uzbekistan, will sign an MOU on facilitation of small and medium businesses.
Investitsiyalar, sanoat va savdo vaziri Laziz Qudratov hamda sanoat va ishlab chiqarish bo'yicha bosh vazirning maxsus yordamchisi Harun Akhtar kichik va o'rta biznesni rivojlantirish sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida anglashuv memorandumini almashdilar.
And by virtue of the authority vested in me as rector of the university, I admit to the honorary degree of the Doctor of Philosophy, and in token thereof, I authorize you to wear the robe ordained as the insignia of the degree.
Kengash qarori asosida va universitet tomonidan menga berilgan vakolat asosida men ushbu falsafa doktori unvonini tantanali ravishda taqdim qilishga qaror qabul qildim.
May I request the Honorable President and the Prime Minister to come in front of the table for the award ceremony, please.
Ushbu marosimni tantanali ravishda o'tkazish uchun O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti va Pokiston Islom Respublikasi bosh vazirini stolning oldiga chiqishlarini so'rab qolamiz.
I now request the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan and Chancellor NUST and Rector NUST to award doctorate degree and certificate of title of Professor of National University of Sciences and Technology to His Excellency Professor Dr. Shafkat Mirzi Yoyo.
NAST kansleri hamda NAST rektoridan O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti janob oliylari Professor Dr. Shavkat Mirziyoyevga Fan va texnologiyalar Milliy universitetining doktorlik diplomi hamda professor unvoni sertifikati topshirishlarini iltimos qilaman.
Sir, please. Thank you, sir.
Katta rahmat.
Doctor by Nust University, Islamabad, Pakistan, for your meritorious services, your unwavering dedication and your commitment to serve not only our brothers and sisters in Uzbekistan, but your great contribution in promoting peace, progress, and prosperity in the neighboring countries.
Ushbu imkoniyatdan foydalangan tarzda qadrdon do'stim, janob oliylari, hurmatli prezident, sizni ushbu professor va doktor unvonini olganingiz bilan tabriklamoqchiman. Bunday unvon NAST universiteti tomonidan bu yerda Islomobodda, Pokistonda taqdim qilindi va bunday unvon xususan sizning sa'y-harakatlaringizga, vafodorligingizga, taraqqiyotga bo'lgan sadoqatingizga va ko'rsatayotgan sobit xizmatlaringizni e'tirofi sifatida taqdim qilinyapti. Sizning xizmatlaringiz nafaqatgina O'zbekistondagi aka-ukalar, opa-singillarga qaratilgan, balki-da kattaroq mintaqada bo'lgan qo'shni davlatlarda ham tinchlik, taraqqiyot va farovonlikni yo'lga qo'yishga bo'lgan sa'y-harakatlaringizni bu e'tirofidir.
Your Excellency, I would also like to convey my heartfelt congratulations on being awarded the highest civil award of Pakistan, Nishan-e-Pakistan. In English, we would say symbol of Pakistan, for your great services and contribution to strengthen our brotherly relations and your commitment to convert these friendly relations into economic cooperation, trade, investment in various sectors of the two countries. I think, Mr. President, if we had a bigger title and award, you would have been the fittest recipient of this award.
Hurmatli janob oliylari, ushbu fursatdan foydalangan holda men chin qalbimdan sizni yana bir bora Pokistonning oliy fuqarolik nishoni bilan nishonlanganingizni tabriklamoqchiman. Xususan bu nishoni Pokiston, ya'ni Pokiston nishoni deb tarjima qilinadi. Bu sizning yuksak bo'lgan xizmatingiz uchun va shu bilan birgalikda qo'shayotgan hissalaringiz uchun, xususan ikki qardosh davlat o'rtasidagi birodarlik aloqalarini yanada kuchaytirish, do'stona aloqalarimizni turli tuman yo'nalishlarga, xususan savdo, iqtisodiy rivojlanish, investitsiya va bundan tashqari yana ko'p sohalarga tatbiq qilayotganingiz uchun berilayotgan e'tirof nishoni hisoblanadi. Menimcha, agar bizning davlatimizda bundan ham oliyroq nishon bo'lganida, albatta eng mos keladigan shaxs bu siz bo'lardingiz.
Your Excellency, Pakistan and Uzbekistan have deep-rooted historical, spiritual, and cultural relations connected by the ancient Silk Route, spanning over centuries. The Mughal legacy originating from the valley of Farghana and the intellectual luminaries of Samarkand and Bukhara have etched a deep mark on Pakistan's history.
Hurmatli janob oliylari, Pokiston va O'zbekiston uzoq muddatlik chuqur aloqalarga ega. Bu aloqalarimiz ruhiy, tarixiy va ma'naviy hisoblanadi va qadimgi zamondagi Buyuk Ipak yo'lidan boshlab turib, shu bilan birgalikda Mo'g'ullar imperiyasini oladigan bo'lsak, yokida Farg'ona vodiysi, xususan Samarqand, Buxoro shaharlarining intellektual yutuqlari Pokistonni tarixida katta o'rin egallagan.
These historical facts provide a very sound foundation of our durable relations and a very bright future.
Ushbu tarixiy faktlar bizning porloq kelajagimiz va ishonchli aloqalarimiz uchun kuchli bir fundamentni yaratadi.
I would like to convey my deepest sense of gratitude for your leadership and your vision and your commitment to take these relations to heights not known till this point in time.
Men chin qalbimdan yana bir bora o'z minnatdorchiligimni bildirmoqchi edim. Sizni olib borayotgan yetakchilik va rahbarlik faoliyatingizga va xususan bizni ushbu birodarlik aloqalarimizni yuksaklarga ko'tarayotganingizga.
And I can never forget the warmth and affection showered upon us during my great visit to your great country in February last year, and those memories will remain fresh in our minds for all times to come. Mr. President, we tried to do our best to arrange warmest welcome for you and your delegation, but I'd like to apologize if we have lacked in any way. But I hope, obviously we could not surpass your warmth, but if we can match your warmth, I think we would have earned our day.
O'tgan yili fevral oyida bo'lgan tashrifim mobaynida bizga yuqori darajalik iliq mezmondoshchilikni ko'rsatgan edingiz va ushbu bo'lgan xotiralar iliq tarzda, barra tarzda hali hanuz mening yodimda. Va hurmatli janob prezident va sizni delegatsiyangizga biz ham mana shunday iliq mezmondoshchilik ko'rsatmoqchi bo'ldik. Va albatta sizni mehmondoshchiligingiz darajasidan biz hech qachon o'tib keta olmaymiz. Lekin umid qilamizki hech qanday kamchilik bo'lmayapti va hech bo'lmaganda sizni darajangizga yaqinlashga sazovor bo'ldik degan umiddamiz.
Today, Mr. President, we held the inaugural meeting of the high-level Strategic Cooperation Council. This structured mechanism heralds for a very bright future for both our brotherly countries and our people. And in line with your vision, I want to assure you that I will work very closely with you for regional connectivity, as we both are in total agreement that Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan rail project will be a game changer, not only for our countries, but for the entire region. And in that, we are ready to join hands and work together to raise funds for this project on the basis of our feasibility and business plan.
Bugun biz oliy darajadagi strategik hamkorlik kengashining ochilish uchrashuvini o'tkazdik va biz bu kengashni juda ham katta mexanizm sifatida ko'ramiz. Bu mexanizm ikkala birodar davlatning aloqalarini yanada kuchaytirishga, shu bilan birgalikda nafaqatgina davlatimizga, balki bizning aholalarimizga manfaatli bo'ladigan fundament hisoblanadi. Shu bilan birgalikda biz olib boradigan ishlarimiz, xususan O'zbekiston, Afg'oniston, Pokiston temir yo'li loyihasi biz kelishganimizdek o'yinni o'zgartirib yuboradigan loyiha bo'ladi. Bu nafaqatgina bizning davlatlarimizga farovonlik olib keladi, balki mintaqadagi yuksak, ya'ni yutuqlarga olib keladi. Hurmatli Janob Prezident, men shak shubhasiz yana shu narsani ta'kidlab o'tmoqchi edimki, biz o'z tomonimizdan qo'ldan kelgancha barcha sa'y-harakatlarni ushbu loyihani moliyalashtirishni yanada kengaytirishga qaratamiz va birgalikda ushbu yutuqlarga erisha olamiz.
My dear brother, Mr. President, I know for a fact, and it is no flattery at all, rather without an array of flattery, that you are a man of action. You speak less and you act more. And today's signing of this protocol, which we have just signed together, is a great manifestation of our commitment, your commitment, my commitment, to work together and enhance and expand our economic relations in the field of agriculture, pharmaceutical, textile, leather shoes, tourism, IT, and so on and so forth. We have just signed this protocol, which will lead to constitution of a working group between our two countries. From our side, it will be led by Minister Harun Akhtar, a very dynamic member of our team, and a member from your wonderful team. And they will work day in, day out to chart out a 5-year plan which will cover all spheres of our economic activity. This will be a game changer. This will really move towards a cooperation which world would not have observed before. In this behalf, we have also agreed that we will have a review meeting quarterly of performance and progress of this arrangement. And as I said, instead of having Zoom meetings, Mr. President, let us put protocol aside, formalities aside. I will, with my delegation, land Tashkent, inshallah, and drive straight to your office, have 2 hours working session, and return. And then during the next term, you will kindly come to Islamabad with your delegation, have working session, and then return back to Tashkent in 1.5 hours the same day. This will be a sure and guaranteed form to really have great achievements and dividends in times to come.
Hurmatli janob prezident, men aniq bilaman siz harakatlar odami ekanligingizni va siz nafaqatgina so'zlarda, balkida harakatlarda yaxshi yutuqlarni ko'rsatasiz. Siz shiddamlik bilan, tezlik bilan harakatlanasiz. Bugungi kunda biz birgalikda protokolga qo'l qo'ydik va ushbu protokolimiz asosida biz ko'plab sohalar bo'yicha iqtisodiy aloqalarni yanada kengaytirishni rejalashtiramiz. Xususan, qishloq xo'jaligi yo'nalishi, farmatsevtika yo'nalishi, to'qimachilik, charm sanoati, turizm sohasi, IT va hokazo. Shu bilan birgalikda bu protokolga imzo chekar ekanmiz. Uning asosida ishchi guruh davlat miqyosida shakllanishi ham rejalashtirilgan. Bizning tomonimizdan hurmatli vazir Harun Akhtar qatnashadilar. Ular juda ham dinamik bo'lgan, harakatchan bizning jamoamizning asosi. Siz tomondan ham ajoyib vaziringiz borlar va maxsus ushbu ishchi guruhning a'zosi sifatida ular ham faoliyat yuritishadi va birgalikda 5 yillik ish rejasini ishlab chiqishadi. Bu 5 yillik rejamiz iqtisodiy rivojlanishning ham va iqtisodiy hamkorlikning ko'plab yo'nalishlarini o'z ichiga qamrab oladi. Va ushbu ishchi guruhimiz kelishganimizdek chorak tarzda uchrashuvlarni o'tkazib turadi. Lekin bundan oldingi nutqimda ta'kidlab o'tganimdek, keling ushbu uchrashuvlarimizni onlayn Zoom orqali emas, balkida protokolni chetga surgan tarzda, offlayn tarzda amalga oshirsak. Men o'zimni jamoamni olaman va sizning davlatingizga Toshkentga tashrif buyuraman. Sizning ofisingizda 2 soat mobaynida uchrashuv o'tkazib, batafsil masalalar muhokama qilishimiz mumkin bo'ladi. Bundan keyin biz qaytib ketamiz va o'zimizning ofisimizda ishni davom ettiramiz. Xuddi shunday bizning tashrifimizdan keyin siz ham o'z tashrifingizni amalga oshirsangiz bo'ladi. Ishonchim komilki, mana shunday yondashuv orqali ushbu ishchi guruhimizni samaradorligini yanada oshiramiz va birgalikda yuksak marralarga erishamiz.
Your Excellency, I'd like to thank you on behalf of people of Pakistan and my government for your generous gift of Babar Park and Tashkent Lane along with Fargana village.
Hurmatli janob prezident, o'zimni shaxsan nomimdan va Pokiston aholisi nomidan sizga katta minnatdorchilik bildirmoqchiman. Bizga bergan ushbu sovg'angiz uchun, ya'ni Toshkent ko'chasi, Bobur bog'i va Farg'ona qishlog'ini nomlash bo'yicha.
We are very happy that you're also member of Board of Peace along with Pakistan and other Muslim and Arab countries. Together, hopefully, we will, inshallah, under the chairmanship of President Trump, be able to have long-lasting peace in Gaza, its reconstruction, and hopefully materialize two-state solution of Palestine. Your Excellency, thank you very much also for your support to the cause of the people of Kashmir, and together we will work for peace and prosperity, not only for our two countries, but for the region. In conclusion, I'd like to thank you once again and conclude my speech by saying, long live Pakistan-Uzbekistan friendship.